Hey everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make pancakes. And who's helping me? Hi, Apollo. Aw. Dang it, now I have to go wash my hands again. Okay, so for this, you're going to need a pan, a measuring cup, butter, something to flip the pancakes with, and a pancake mix. Apollo, no, get your tail out of the pan, silly boy. Also, I forgot, you're also going to need a measuring cup, a 1 cup specifically, and a 3/4 measuring cup. And if you don't have a 3/4 measuring cup, you could just use a 1/4 measuring cup. And so Apollo's still helping us with making these pancakes. Thank you. No, don't get near the mix, Apollo. Forgetting to mention, you also need to have milk or water, because it calls for water, but you can switch it out for milk if you want. Apollo, get away from those. No. It's so to have a cat that constantly is near you, because then he wants to help you cooking, helps you go to the bathroom, helps you with everything. It's annoying. I made a video where cats give me no space. If you haven't seen that, go check that out after this video. So, yay, Apollo's leaving us. Bye. Get 1 cup of the mix. Okay. Oh, geez, that made a mess everywhere. Okay, hold on. I just realized I have not told you guys how many servings there are for, like, 1 cup, so I don't know. I'll tell you at the end. Clearly, you can tell I am not ready for this. And that I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So, I got everything in the container, and now we just need to do 3/4 cups of milk. 1, 2, 3. So I would suggest, if you have a bigger container, to stir it with a whisk, but because it's my container small, I'm using a spoon. So let's see how this works. Okay, it's really chunky. So I think this is the type of texture you want. It's kind of thick. So Apollo, stop getting into the materials. Get out of here. No. Out. Never mind, guys. Gotta start more, because I just noticed there's a bunch of powder on the bottom. To me right now. Don't take any advice I'm saying. I'm just realizing that this is so thick that I don't know how it's gonna actually get onto the pan to cook off of it. So, let's see how this goes, because I feel like I did something wrong. Yay! Next step, get the pan buttered up and turn on the heat to, like, we're gonna say 7. We're gonna start with see how things go. Clearly I should have read the instructions, but I'm like, no, I can do this by myself. Because I'm just trying to prove to you guys how easy making pancakes are. Except, it might not be that easy. Because if I can't do this, then no one else no. That's wrong. No, everyone else can do this but me. That's probably what it is. So you could also do olive oil. But I heard butter's healthier. I don't know. Alright, once you've buttered up the whole pan and it's all heated up, now take your bath. Okay, so now I need to somehow lift this pig. I'm trying to get it to... Oh, there we go. Clearly, I did something wrong. I'm so scared. So I finally got 2 small pancakes on. Now this looks really bad. I'm really scared because I don't think this is going to work out, because I literally just made different type of different, like, box of pancakes, like different mix, and it was not like this. It was runny. It was not like this at all. So I'm a little scared to see how it goes. I think I'm gonna read the instructions now. Read the instructions and I don't see anything different. It said 1/4 of the batter, which I did wrong, so let's see. I'm gonna try to flip this now. Oh, that's burnt. Okay, quickly flip this other one. So they're both burnt. Alright, turn down the heat. So please don't follow this video unless you want pancakes looking like this. I'm actually really scared to try these now. So let's see how this goes. So I just checked them and I think they're done. So I'm now going to go ahead and put them on plate. So here they are. I'm going to go ahead and put some butter on it. I have to eat these. Oh no. Don't ever listen to me, because I don't know what I did wrong, but I feel like I did something wrong here. So I'm going to go ahead and put some butter on it right now. Let's see how this goes, because butter will make everything better, hopefully. Okay, guys, I'm going to try it. I'm so scared right now. Let's see if this is gooey in the inside. I don't think so, because I burned it. But let's see. Okay. Actually, I don't know why I'm doing such a big bite. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, alright. It's getting bad. Hold on. Alright, let me explain to you what happened. So, at first it tasted good. It tasted like a pancake. Then, it tasted like the mix, like protein. It did not taste good. It just kept going. It came in like in waves. So don't ever take my advice. Don't make pancakes. Please don't make these pancakes, okay? Look up some other person to make pancakes for you, okay? Apollo, do you want the rest of these pancakes? Alright, I don't know where he went, because now he can eat those, but I think he would take one bite and also walk away. Alright, well, please leave a like for my pain I went through making this, and I'll see you guys soon.